Hello, lovely and wonderful family. Welcome once again to my channel. Sai Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for always being with me. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do your own glowing and whitening soap. But please, using a Dove bar soap. Okay, guys, so let's go and let me show you how to do it. But this one is a tutorial video, so take your pen and your paper, write everything and do it and bring your testimony. Let's go and watch the video to the end. Remember, I love you. So let's go and watch the video. Let me show you how to prepare this amazing glowing, moisturizing and whitening product. Yes, this one. You will come back and give me a testimony. But guys, please, we are using Dove bar soap, Dove beauty bar soap or Dove bar soap, any of it. Please, we are using 3 pieces. 3 of it. Please, guys, 3 of our Dove bar soap. 3 pieces. You know Dove glows the skin. It will give you the natural tone. Yes. So guys, this soap will moisturize your skin. One of the reasons why I love Dove is it moisturizes the skin very well. So we are using 3 pieces. Grate it. Get a clean sanitized bowl. Grate the 3 pieces into the bowl. After that, add in 1 collagen or teaspoon of your collagen. Teaspoon of your collagen powder. Teaspoon of your collagen powder. That's the reason why I've been showing you all the pictures of it, please, and also the quantity of it. So we are adding in teaspoon of our collagen. After adding in our teaspoon of collagen, add in your pig milk. This is what we are going to use it to soak the soap. We are using the milk, not the powder. The milk, not the powder. Yes, you can use the powder and add in rose water. But if you are not using the powder, please use the milk. Any milk of your choice, yes, can do. But for me, I use the pig milk. Add in your 1 pig milk. Add it to soak the soap. We are adding the pig milk because we want to soak the soap, making the soap more what? Softer and also more that we can mash it up. So guys, after adding your pig milk, 1 pig milk, then you add in your vitamin E oil. This soap is a glowing and also moisturizing soap. You will come back and give me a testimony. Then you add in your vitamin E oil, 10 ml. Vitamin E oil, 10 ml of it. Add it to the soap. After adding your vitamin E oil, add your honey. Please guys, add your honey. For me, I did not let my soap to change color, so I didn't add in anything. All the ingredients that I have mentioned. But if you want to glow more, you can add in your turmeric powder. Turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons or 1 teaspoon of it is enough. Yes, then you add in your honey. You add in your honey, 50 ml of your honey. If you don't want turmeric powder, you can also add in lemon juice. Lemon juice for more whitening. Then you add in your honey. After adding in your honey, then you add in your preservative. You know we are making soap and soap goes with water. And we want this soap to stay for longer period. Then you have to add in preservative. But if you are using it for 1 week, no preservative is needed. Forget about preservative. Use it and bring me your testimony. Yes, guys. So after adding in your preservative, soak the soap for 24 hours. After 24 hours, you can use your soap. Yes, it will become so softer. You mash it up or you pound it. Then you get a result of like this. The result will be like this. Yes, then you start using it. You bring me your testimony. For 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you see that your skin is glowing. Your natural skin tone is glowing. Your natural skin tone is coming back. Yes, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Also, turn your notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. I love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.